Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be downloading and installing Git. On the screen, I have got a link to the official Git homepage. This is the official website where you can go and download the version that relates to your operating system. So this is the official page for Git. That's the path here to the website. So it's got various versions here. So you select the operating system you're on and click on the relevant link. I am running a Windows-based machine, so I'm going to click Windows. I'll click on it, and it should say it's automatically downloading it. So it will detect the operating system you're on and should auto download. If not, you can just click on the link. So I'll just give mine a few minutes to complete the download. My download is now completed. That's my link there. So I am on a 32-bit. So if you're running Windows and you're on a 62-bit, you might want to go for the 62-bit Git version. All right, this version I'm running is quite new. It says it was released 7 days ago. So now that I've got mine installed, if you are running other operating systems other than Windows, then follow the relevant link for the operating system. The installation is really straightforward, so I don't expect you to have any issues. If you do, please let me know. But my illustration is going to be on a Windows machine. So I've got my files downloaded. I'm just going to double click to begin the installation. I'll go run and give it time to get its files together. I'll go continue. You might get an antivirus prompt. When you do, just click continue. You're presented with this licensing thing. Just click next. Okay, you're given some options here. Do you want it on your, you can click additional icons if you want it on your desktop. I'll just click that because I want the icon on my desktop. Tells you what it's going to integrate with, Git Bash, GUI, and so on. So you can leave the default and click next. Right, this here can be a bit tricky based on your choice. I always like to follow the recommendation of the developers or whoever's created the product. Okay, so they've given me an option here because they notice I am running Windows. So it's saying I can use Git from Windows command prompt. So it gives you a few options here what it does. Again, here it's telling you use Git from Git Bash only. Git Bash is kind of like its own interface where you can run Git command. So say this is the safest choice as your path will not be modified at all. You will only be able to use the Git command line tools from the Git Bash. I like this option. Although I'm on a Windows machine, I prefer this option. So I'm going to click, I want to run my command inside the Git Bash, so it is separate, isolated from Windows. So I go next. Feel free to read through the options here, but I would recommend you go for what they have advised. So I'll go next. Again, check the option. They've already checked that this is the best option for cross-platform projects. I will go with that. Go next. Again, I will follow their recommendation, which is what they've checked here. I'll go next. Again, I'll leave this as checked and go next. And saying replacing in use the following applications need to be replaced, please close them. Windows Explorer PID closing is optional. Okay, I'll leave it. If you continue without closing the listed application, they will be closed and restarted automatically. Let's say no. Yeah, I'll let it close. You close the application. Okay. Okay, you're given an option here to remove some files, the ones that have been listed. So say no to that, because it's giving you, say no to that. Okay, and it should continue the installation. All right, the installation is now complete. So you've got an option to launch Git bash or view release notes. Tell you what, let's launch the Git bash so you see what it looks like. Click on finish. And this is what the Git bash looks like. It's like the Windows command prompt, but this is its own shell. This is a Git shell, so any command you run inside Git will be here. Let's do a quick command. We can check the version of Git that we have installed. To check the version, we type in git, Git space -- version -- and then enter on the keyboard, and it will give you the version. So it's telling me Git version 2.9.3.1 Windows.1. So this is my current version. So thank you so much for your time. Hope everything went well. If not, please give me a shout. I'll be more than happy to help. Take care and bye for now.